Hey, this is Todd at Driftwood Builders Roofing. This morning we're going to talk about drip edge just a little bit. These are my drip edge samples that I showed all my customers. We choose colors. There's 6 colors. It's 2 inches by 2 inches. Let's see if I can do that right. 2 inches by 2 inches. So this piece right here, that actually gets nailed. Flip my phone. That gets nailed right there to the decking. You see that nail right there? So that gets nailed all the way across about every 12 inches or so. And then the drip edge, the 2-inch piece that falls down over the fascia right here, that is protecting the wood. So you look up here a little bit, let's zoom in. See the drip edge right there on the fascia board. So what it does is it's wicking water away from the fascia board. So we put it all the way around the perimeter for every single house that we do. And then the other benefit, to go back to the gutter here, is imagine the back of the gutter is behind the drip edge. So any water that comes rolling off the roof kind of works its way around the shingle. It's got to hit metal. There's no way for it to hit wood. Hits metal, drops into the gutter, flows off out the downspout. So like I said, drip edge all the way around the house. It's a very important piece. Don't let a roofer do your house without putting drip edge on. That would be a bad move. All right, that's drip edge, Driftwood Builders Roofing.